G'day YouTubers, how you going? My name is DWolf007. Welcome to Wilfred's PC World at Lakeside Cottages in Locksport. I hope you enjoy the unboxing videos and the review videos that I make. All comments are welcome. You all have fun. Thank you for watching. Today we have an unboxing from performancepc.com. Now, without further ado, I'll quickly show you what we'll be unboxing. Let's have a look. Okay. Sorry about that mess. Now, the big box there we got from Corsair was actually Corsair product. I'll show you what it is in a minute. First one is just this very simple. Basically, I got this for this cable management because, as you can see, I'll show you what I mean. We'll go around here. I'll have a look. As you can see, my cable management needs some cable management there. Don't I? Now, next one. So basically, that just I can't see what I'm seeing myself. Simple. That will just open up somehow. There's some hinges there. They come off, and the little hinge there comes off. Comes apart, and what do we get here? Oh, I see. Some very basic tube things. You can screw that into wood and stuff like that. And then you can mount this, and then you work out where you want to mount this. And then, so I'm thinking if I mount it there, I can wrap everything around there. Haven't worked out exactly what I want to do with it yet. Whereabouts I'm going to put it. Basic setup. I'm thinking if I do it. It'll have to be, let's have a look. It'll have to be down there next to the power board. That way I can control everything better and get to all the wires easier. But let's go to the next one. Okay, next one. Now, they did come in another box, of course, but I just don't want to have bloody multiple headphone pieces everywhere all over the place. So, packaged actually quite well, which I'm quite surprised. Come in, check that out. There. There. Now, this is brilliant. I love this. Now, I could have got different colours and that, but I did not want to go fancy and anything like that. I just wanted something simple. And I know I could have probably done this myself, but I haven't got the tools to do it. Now, this one here, you'll see advertised from Performance PC. It's basically just two fan holes for a 340mm fan. So I can fit a 140mm fan here, 140mm fan here. Either pull air out of the case or blow air into the case. I haven't made me mind up which one I'm going yet. And I've got to get a mesh for it too. So once that all set, that will go in, which is quite good. There's one here. I'll figure that out in a minute. That's going to look pretty good. Just find now a grill for it. Something to go over here, which will be good. Now I just noticed this now. That's bent, so you cannot close it into there. So that was a bit of a disappointing. But if you look, let's see if we can zoom in a bit here. Okay, I managed to get this fixed. So when you open it, oh, it doesn't want to open now. Okay, so that's fixed, sort of. We'll straighten up a bit more there. That's the handle there. That goes on now. So, gotta be careful with those things. Now I'll hook it up, but when I close it, let's close that. See, I'm gonna have to bring. Okay, let's see what I can do with the camera. Turn the light on. Take this. Let's see what I'm doing. Come on. Okay. Now, let's have a look. So from here it looks okay. I've still got to put, what do they call it, qualified grills. Because that still looks okay. There you go. You can just see that at 10, possibly 10, 11 mil. Yeah, difference. But I'm not going to put it on now because I've still got a lot of things to do. Here's that. I've still got to get. I like the silver screws once. I'll keep this fan here, but I've still got to find. I either have to put mount another fan. That's annoying. And the outside there. I'm either going to have to mount another fan on the outside, which is going to be annoying. But I've also got to consider, like, I've got to get a fan grill. I need a fan grill for here. And I'm going to put something here. I'm either going to have to remove this, which I don't want to do, or put a fan on the outside. Thinking of putting a fan on the outside. Okay, because otherwise it's just not going to work, is it? Unless I can find a fin in that fan that's going to be 140 mil of a fan, less than 10 mils thickness. That may go into there. I have to admit the doors basically it's exactly the same door, but I might have to. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy. I'm pretty sure I actually like the quality of the product. Looks good. Sets that little stake there. Can't be helped. That is while you're shipping from America, so I still got to do some more things here, but we'll get there slowly. You have fun.